What are the core social media marketer job responsibilities? There are many different roles that social media marketers play. Here are some of the essential tasks that social media marketers need to accomplish. Crafting and executing social media plans. It includes designing social media campaigns, developing content ideas, scheduling posts, and ensuring consistent content across all platforms. Analyzing social media metrics and reporting on ROI for social campaigns. Social media marketing pros need to track social media metrics and analyze the data to determine if campaigns are successful. Engaging with social media followers. Social media marketers must communicate with users, address questions and concerns, and cultivate connections with key figures in their industry. Keeping up to date on social trends. Social media marketers should keep up with and understand the latest social media trends to benefit their clients. Creating social media advertising campaigns. Social media marketing pros need to know how to create effective ad campaigns that get results. All in all, social media marketing jobs are multifaceted and require a wide range of skills. Becoming an expert social media marketer takes time and effort, but the rewards can be great. If you're considering working in social media marketing, start by getting familiar with the different roles and responsibilities that social media marketers play to determine if it's right for you.